Yes, you heard it right.
Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic. नमस्कार नमस्ते नमस्कार वनक्कम खुशामदीद अस्सलाम वालेकुम सत श्री अकाल मी कंदरिकी वंदनमो जय स्वामी नारायण जय श्री कृष्ण जय जनींद्र एंड ऑफ कोर्स हम सारे इस्माइली भाई बदल बोलेंगे या अली मदद एंड मौलाली बदल जन हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारे मैसेज फालतू बाबा एंड ऑफ कोर्स आज हमारे फालतू ने कल्टी मारने वाली है लेकिन डोंट वरी बदल आपका साथ मेरा रहेगा ऑल द वे until 7 बदल yes 5 to 7 every Monday to Friday you will hear us out here on air bringing you some wonderful music but at the same time some nice topics you can talk about and today being March 3rd हमारे शंकर माधवन जी का बर्थडे है and yes शंकर माधवन is very close to our hearts probably because अरे रेडियो हॉटीज का इनॉग्रेशन होने तो किया था 12 साल पहले बन that's right and yes we love his music and we really appreciate all the stuff they do in terms of trying to keep good music for Bollywood Banajan. I really appreciate that part of it. In fact ये इनके जो दूसरे partners हैं I'm talking about Ehsan and Loy, also wonderful talented people and what they bring to the industry is very interesting. Their compositions have actually given us some wonderful things to remember by. Memories are kept really nice from them. In fact 2000 say I think 1999 2000 say they've given us some really good music for us and aaj the idea is see if we can play a few of them for you guys can enjoy. And Shankar Madhavan ji, of course, if you know it, he is he's a singer, a classical singer, a trained classical Carnatic singer, and also he's you would have seen him as a judge in multiple voice shows and everything. But most importantly, I think that he is a good proponent of this particular art form. Right, maybe a rock song, or maybe a Carnatic song, maybe a romantic song. In fact, everything here actually has pulled off very well, Badajan. Now, today the hope is to see if I can play some nice songs for you guys, which actually are also, what can I say? They're like, even the songs which are not so very popular, as in we've not played them as much as what we're supposed to have played them. So probably, but definitely in any song, he is, you cannot not recognize his voice. It's such a nice, it's totally different voice. And it's very unique and a wonderful singer, by the way. I like his voice. I like his singing. He's very true to his nature, actually. So now I'm going to play a few songs of his. In fact, I started off with Breathless for you in the previous hour. I hope you enjoyed the song. काफ़ी सारे ऐसे गाने हैं उनके तो there's a huge list of songs which he has done as bhajans. काफ़ी सारे लोग, in fact, if you listen to Good Morning Bay as well, we have the Ganpati Bhajan which actually played this today, which was one of his compositions, which is his own presentation as well. And I don't want to play that right now because abhi to mood aap drive pe hai probably or enjoying your drive, getting back home or planning to go someplace outside. Good, wonderful, enjoy. But yeah, ऐसे अच्छे गाने आपके लिए play करवाना होगा. Jan Nabi, now I'm gonna play for you a song from and I'm trying to see if I can play all the songs where his voice is there because it's his birthday. We want to wish him a very very happy birthday. Shankar Madhavan sir, please keep on giving us wonderful music like how we have been doing it. I know Shankar Ehsan Loy, you guys are going to be celebrating your 25th anniversary of presence in the industry. That's going to be a great milestone and thank you for all the wonderful music you've given us and wishing for more years where you give us great music, Banjam. And here is the song from the movie Chandni Chowk to China. There's a song called Tere Naina. Have you heard the song, Banjam? Tere Naina has diye bas gaye mere dil mein tere naina तेरे नैना हंस दिए बस गए मेरे दिल में तेरे नैना मेरे दिल में जो अरमा है पास आके. And of course, if you're wondering who is the female voice, that is Shreya Ghoshal along with our melody of Shankar Madhavan. And music again by the same trio, that is Shankar Madhavan, Ehsan and Loy Banajan. Lyrics by Rajat Arora. ये प्यार की है बातें कुछ अनकही मुलाकातें तो ऐसे ही मिलते हैं मिलके मचलते हैं दो दिल जवां
तेरे नैना
एंड ऑफ कोर्स ऐसे ही काफी सारे रोमांटिक गाने हैं, मेलोडियस गाने हैं, एक्शन बद गाने भी हैं जो Shankar Mahadevan brought us. And today's hope is to see if we can actually remember all those things and give thanks to him for actually giving us such wonderful songs, Birjan. If you want to say something right now, the lines are open for you guys to dial in 408-912-2479 408-912-2479. You can also give tippani, but of course it's birthday, so let's be kind to him.
हो मेरे पास तू जो आए तो खुदा मुझे मिल जाए ओ होठों को होठों से मिलने दे सिलने दे दूर न जा
And of course, Bhajan, जो भी आज मैं प्ले कर रहा हूँ आप लोगों के लिए गाने, generally are the गाने which actually not many people will even try to attempt in a karaoke session. How do I know this? Because yes, it happens in our karaoke sessions. People generally gravitate towards something which is easier to do and replicate. Songs of people like Shankar Mahadevan, Sonu Nigam are very difficult to replicate. So people will gravitate towards something easy as opposed to something challenging. This is one of those songs because not everybody can pull it off. You know, it's the beat, the melody, the harkat he brings in. Hats off.
चुरा लूं मैं जग से छुपा लूं मैं इतने पास मेरे दिल में जो अरमा है पास आके जरा देखो ना दिल की तार में सरगम छेड़े हैं अब कोई अनजाना
And of course, Bhajan, this is a song Tere Naina from the movie Chandni Chowk to Chhaina. अगर देखा नहीं तो यार film देख लो. Okay, it's like, you know, it's not a very big thing. One of those movies which actually was a big I think it made money because Akshay Kumar was already known as a 100 crore person because he used to make around 10 films, all 10 films, 100 crores, like, you know, almost like around 1,000 crores right there. Paisa was kind of a hero, but they had Deepika Padukone in it. Chandni Chowk to Chhaina movie was, I saw the movie, I got bored, but some of the songs very nice. So this is a song of Shankar Mahadevan. How can I not like this song? Now, if you look at Shankar Mahadevan, there's almost a song which I totally dig about the guy, and I'll tell you, this is a movie called Kal Ho Na Ho. Generally, जब भी कोई Kal Ho Na Ho की बात करते हैं, they will say, oh, that song Kal Ho Na Ho title track. हाँ, उसके लिए एक trivia भी है बरजा जो हमने काफी दफा आपको साथ दोहराया है, and in fact they themselves have shared with us on our show. I'm talking about Shankar Ehsaan Loy, how that came about. That song Kal Ho Na Ho itself was such a thing where they came up with a tune in like a jiffy, and Javed Kasab took almost a month to write the lyrics because he wanted to do justice to the tune. Kal Ho Na Ho. That is a song which Sonu Nigam has sung, but no, you know me, I want to pick up something different. So Kal Ho Na Ho film से ही एक ऐसा गाना है जो जावेद साहब की लिखाई है, and music by Shankar Ehsaan Loy, and of course voice. Who else? Shankar Mahadevan. Which song you wonder? Stay tuned. This is the one.
मैंने जिसे अभी अभी
गेस किया ना कौन सा गाना है?
देखा है.
यस शंकर महादेवन का आवाज.
कौन है वो अनजानी?
कौन है भाई, कौन है?
उसे जितना देखूं उतना सोचूं, क्या उसे मैं कह दूं?
Well, hit the pause right there. And yes, Meenakshi ji, welcome on Facebook as well. Sorry, we actually had to cut across our previous presentation and start a new part 2 of this particular Shankar Mahadevan birthday, by the way. And yes, ye Gana jo hai was the one I played Tere Naina. Movie was really horrible, Chandni Chowk to Chhaina, but some people actually liked it, I suppose. I don't know. Because it was not actually classified under flop movies. But again, you know, a movie being a hit or a flop does not say much about the song, because songs can sometimes become super duper hit. I will talk to you about that, Birja, because Shankar Mahadevan and his team, Shankar Ehsaan and Loy, have given us some great music. Now, भले वो फिल्म फ्लॉप हो जाए, मूवी तो फ्लॉप हो सकती है, लेकिन मूवी के जो गाने हैं ना, इन्होंने शिद्दत से काम किया है, तो डेफिनेटली आई लव those songs. You probably wouldn't have heard of those songs because the movies did not do well, and so obviously no media company picked it up to play for guys. But the only place where you hear good music is at our radio station, which is Radio The Hotties. And you know, on our app we have all the songs playing for you guys for sure. And वो गाने भी हैं जो मैं लगाऊं आपको थोड़ी देर में, लेकिन उससे पहले ये थोड़ा सुन लेते हैं आपको. I love the song. It's called Pretty Woman from the movie Kal Ho Na Ho.
Hit it! मैंने जिसे अभी अभी देखा है, कौन है वो अनजानी. मैंने जिसे अभी अभी देखा है, कौन है वो अनजानी. वो है कोई कलिया, कोई किरण, या है कोई कहानी. उसे जितना देखूं उतना सोचूं, क्या उसे मैं कह दूं. Pretty woman, hey, pretty woman,
देखो देखो ना Pretty Woman. Yes, Banjan, ऐसे अच्छे गाने आपके लिए आएंगे, लेकिन इस गाने में actually there also is one more thing, Banjan. There's a little bit of rap going on there, which actually is by Ravi Rags Khote. Ravi Khote is his name, and lyrics by Bill Dees, Javed Akhtar Saab, and Roy Orbison.
कौन है वो अनजानी.
It's called Orbison, sorry.
या कोई किरण, या है कोई कहानी. उसे जितना देखूं उतना सोचूं, क्या उसे मैं कह दूं. Pretty woman, देखो देखो ना pretty woman. Pretty woman, देखते हो ना pretty woman.
एंड ऑफ कोर्स बच्चे, मैंने बताया था कि जो भी गाने हो बजेंगे उसमें आपको शंकर महाराज जी का झलक तो सुनाई देगा फॉर श्योर. एंड यस यार, शर्माते काय हो यार, कम ऑन, गिव अस अ कॉल हियर. यू कैन शेयर विद अस इफ यू वांट टू विश हिम अ बर्थडे विश ऑन वीडियो, व्हाई नॉट, और इफ यू जस्ट वांट टू ऑडियो आल्सो गिव अस अ कॉल हियर ऑन 4089122479. एंड यस, गाने तो बजेंगे आपको जान, एक से बढ़कर एक सुपर डुपर गाने राइट हियर ऑन योर फेवरेट रेडियो हॉटीज, एयरिंग लाइव एंड लोकल इन द बे एरिया ऑन रेडियो मिर्ची 1310 AM and also on 92.9 FM by the Jan. If you're listening to us somewhere outside the Bay Area, probably listening on an app which is for free download on iOS and also on the Android platform by the Jan, called Radio The Hotties. Go look for it and enjoy.
Day after night, don't let the sun shine out of your sight, 'cause I can feel you. Can you feel me when I say that? I can feel you here. Can you feel me here when I say I'm crazy about you, pretty woman?
सोने का रंग है, शीशे का अंग है, जो देखे दंग है. क्या कहूँ, हैरान मैं भी हूँ, ये क्या अंदाज है, इतना क्यों नाज है, इसमें क्या राज है. क्या कहूँ, वो तो पल में खुश है, पल में खफा, बदले वो रंग हर घड़ी. पर जो भी देखूं रूप उसका, लगती है प्यारी बड़ी. उसे जितना देखूं उतना सोचूं, क्या उसे मैं कह दूं.
क्या कह दे बलजान?
Pretty woman, देखो देखो ना pretty woman. Pretty woman, देखते हो.
Yeah, Baljan, Pretty Woman is a song, of course. Not many people actually are playing this song. एक ज़माने में था जब ये निकला था, it was actually a super duper hit, and every station used to play that song. लेकिन slowly it went on, died out. So you know, as right, we try to bring all those the hidden gems for you guys, and this is one of the songs. And if you look at it, like all the songs which Shankar Mahadevan actually has sung has something unique, something special, something only his voice would take it. Now, when we had a conversation with Shankar Mahadevan, Ehsaan and Loy, and in fact all three of them, we asked them as to how do they find the singer for the song. Very good question, right? I did ask them, and इसके बारे में और जानकारी दूंगा आपको बल्जान after this particular song. थोड़ा और सुन लीजिएगा, and we'll come back with the answer they give us.
आँखों में है नशा, जुल्फों में है घटा, पहले हमने अदा ये हंसी, देखी न थी कहीं, देखी जो ये परी, मस्ती दिल में भरी, है ये जादूगरी या नहीं। हो न तो जानू क्या है नाम, न जानू मैं पता, पर इतना है मैंने जाना, जिसे देख ले एक नजर भर के, उसको कर दे वो दीवाना। उसे जितना देखूं उतना सोचूं, क्या उसे मैं कह दूं। Pretty woman.
Yeah, but Jan, I'll tell you what, it's very difficult to actually find the solo songs of, no, I'll take it back. We can find solo songs of Shankar Mahadevan sir, but I think I'm trying to find out songs which actually are only sung by him. And there's some song where he actually sang as a duet as well. Now, we can do a whole show or run the whole, radio station only playing the Shankar Mahadevan compositions along with Jan. But today being his birthday, I want to wish him a very happy birthday. And I want to give the opportunity for our bandhus also to call in today and share their wishes for him if they want to. 4089122479 and we actually can the opportune moment, right? आज तो March 3rd है and वैसे भी हमारे गाना हमारे रेडियो स्टेशन में काफी सारे उनके ही गाने बजते हैं, तो वैसे why not we do a special show for him today and मौके पे फालतू नहीं, आपको मालूम है कल्टी मार दिया, but don't worry, I'm here with you guys, but so definitely join us if you want to call in 4089122479 4089122479। मैं सोच रहा हूँ थोड़ा गियर बदलेंगे मुरजन, because talking about songs which he has sung, there's one particular movie which was called Luck by Chance. Again, all these movies are not done so well, but they're not done so well, but their songs are popular. Now, this is a movie which was not done so well, which is like, was not a box office hit, was not, I don't even see the movie, I don't even know anything about the movie. It's called Luck by Chance. But उसमें एक गाना है जो काफी difficult है to sing or reproduce. And hence, obviously, it happens to be that Shankar Mahadevan is the only one who can pull it off. This is a song called Sapna Se Bhare Naina. And if you're wondering who were the music directors for this, yeah, it is Zoe Akhtar Productions, obviously Shankar, my son and Loy. Seems to be that they actually have a very good working team there. Starting from Dil Chahta Hai Times, they actually are working together, giving us some wonderful movies and also wonderful songs along with it. Thanks to Javed Akhtar Saab and also for Shankar Ehsaan Loy.
इस पगले को कौन बताए, ढूंढ रहा है जो तू जग में, कोई जो पाए तो मन में ही पाए। सपनों से भरे नैना, तो नींद है न चैना, सपनों से भरे नैना, है ना चैना।
And yes, Belgian number to call you 4089122479 if you want to actually share with us a wish for Shankar Mahadevan ji. And this is a song from the movie Luck by Chance, Belgian lyrics by Javed Akhtar Saab, music by Shankar Ehsaan and Loy, voice of course, the unmistakable Shankar Mahadevan.
रसता ही पाए, धूप का रसता जो पैर जलाए, मोड़ तो आए छाँव न आए, राही जो चलता ही जाए, कोई नहीं है जो कहीं उसे समझाए। सपनों से भरे नैना, तो नींद है न चैना।
Yes, Baljan, नींद है न चैना, सपनों से भरे नैना. And it's I think the complexity of the song is, only he could sing it, I suppose. I think he makes every tough song seem simple, is what I like about Shankarji. Shankarji, I really want to hats off to you, of course. I've met him in person and I've seen him give coaching to people in person. So, he really encourages people to sing, and he makes it seem so simple. Actually, if you ever been to a live concert of Shankar Mahadevan, you'll know yourself. And just wishing him a very, very happy birthday today. Of course, already it's past his birthday in India, but nevertheless, hum log yaar, we're the West Coast, so we can always celebrate until the next day morning. What Sargam, beautiful Sargam Banajan. And this is again a composition of Shankar Ehsaan Loy. Yeah, but then next time you're going to be challenging yourself to sing a song in the karaoke event. Challenge yourself with this song, Balajan. Sapno se bhare naina from the movie Luck by Chance. Both achhe bol hai, Balajan. The meaning is very interesting. And if you want to know more the meaning, and go check out the lyricist. It is Javed Akhtar Saab. So obviously, yaar, damdar lyrics likhte hai wo. And speaking about songs which are interesting, another movie which people know about, Wake Up Sid. It was a hit actually. It was a very big hit. Ranbir Kapoor and Konkona Sen combination. It was a very different kind of a movie. It actually, music by Shankar Ehsaan Loy, of course. Lyrics again by Javed Akhtar Saab. People know a particular song called Ik Tara from the particular movie. But I'm going to play a different song which actually has Shankar Mahadevan singing the song. It's not played much, though, but I love the song. Not because of the fact that it is SEL thing, because it is Shankar Mahadevan singing the song. Enjoy the song from the movie Wake Up Sid. It's called Aaj Kal Zindagi.
आजकल मुझसे है कह रही, तू जो मेरी माने तो चल दीवाने सपनों की राहों में तू, सारी खुशबुओं को सारी रोशनी को ले ले इन बाहों में तू, अब है तू जहां दिन रात सारे नए हैं, आरज़ू जवान जज्बात सारे नए हैं, नए रास्ते हैं तेरे वास्ते तो रहे क्यों पनाहों में तू, ओहो तेरे लिए नहीं है ज़मीन या आसमान, लिख दे हवाओं में कोई नई दास्तां, तेरे लिए नहीं है ज़मीन या
And of course, अगर आप पहली बार सुन रहे हैं इस गाने को, ये गाना है from the movie Wake Up Sid. Yeah, it's a movie which is about Sid who's waking up again. No, it's a very nice movie, but if you've not seen it, I've seen the movie, it was nice. And if you want to join, and wishing Shankar Mahadevan sir on air, just give us a call here, 4089122479, 4089122479. ये गाना आजकल जिंदगी from the movie Wake Up Sid, the voice of Shankar Mahadevan sir on the occasion of his birthday, remembering him and his songs and telling him thank you very much for giving us wonderful music. Keep on giving us kind of music, Shankar ji, and happy birthday once again.
जमी थी वो सारी खामोशियाँ घुल गई, हाँ घुल गई, कितने लम्हों ने मुझको जैसे हैरान किया, कितनी बातों ने दिल को आके है छू लिया, चाहते कई है दिल में अब जगमगाई, राहतें कई है मुझसे कहने को आई, पहचाने सारी मुस्काने सारी भर ले निगाहों में तू, ओ हो तेरे लिए नहीं है ज़मीन या आसमां, लिख दे हवाओं पे कोई नई दास्तां, तेरे लिए नहीं है ज़मीन या आसमां।
And of course, Bhajan, that was a song for the movie Wake Up Sid. And ऐसे तो बहुत सारे गाने हैं जो हम पेश कर सकते हैं आपके लिए, but I'm trying to get a few songs which are like, you know, very unique songs. Probably wouldn't have heard the songs normally. Like this song would not play in a general commercial whatever setting, only in places where we actually play songs like that. You can hear it. And why don't we just change the gear a little bit and go into another song which totally is emotional song. Whenever we do a song about emotion, or for the matter something which is a woebegone kind of a song, a theme, or something that way, we always hear the song. And it's a beautiful song to play because March, of course, Women's Month, and this song totally talks about the aspect of a mother. And this is a song for the movie Tare Zameen Par. In Shankar Mahadevan's voice, never fails. I've heard the song so many times. Every time I listen to it, brings it suddenly gets me in a very emotional state of mind. So just playing it for you guys because thoda gear change karte hain, and we'll come back to other songs where he has given us some commercial hits. When I say commercial, I'm talking about something which is totally masaladar, right? Before we go into those things, Bhajan, this nice song from the movie Tare Zameen Par in the voice of Shankar Mahadevan.
हो गया बेटा, आ जाओ अब।
मैं कभी बतलाता नहीं, पर अंधेरे से डरता हूँ मैं माँ, यूं तो मैं दिखलाता नहीं, तेरी परवाह करता हूँ।
डॉर्मेट्री में जाकर कपड़े बदलो गाना गाने के लिए। कम ऑन।
तुझे सब है पता है ना माँ, तुझे सब है पता मेरी माँ।
And of course, Banjan, this is a song from the movie Tare Zameen Par, starring, of course, Amir Khan in this movie. But this major thing is, I never could muster courage to actually watch the movie. For whatever reason, Banjan, I still haven't watched it. If you think you want to watch along with me, give me a call. I'll probably watch it together. I'll bring popcorn if you want it. And yes, this lyrics by Prasun Joshi, music, of course, strung by Shankar, Ehsan, and Loy.
न दूर मुझको तू, याद भी तुझको आना पाऊँ माँ, क्या इतना बुरा हूँ मैं माँ, क्या इतना बुरा।
अरे अभी तक ऐसे ही बैठी हो, कपड़े नहीं बदले? चलो जाए कपड़े बदलो। कम ऑन।
वैसे तो काफ़ी सारे फिल्मों के लिए उन्होंने लिखा है, एंड दिस पर्टिकुलर मूवी इज समथिंग, द सॉन्ग्स, ऑल द सॉन्ग्स एक्चुअली आई लाइक देम. एक नहीं दो नहीं, काफ़ी सारे गाने हैं, एंड दिस इज वन सॉन्ग विच ही हैज़ वॉइस्ड हिमसेल्फ, सो आई लाइक दिस सॉन्ग अ लॉट. And I hope you're enjoying it as well. And this is a presentation of Media Mahima right now, Balajan, for the Pam Pam Show, airing live on local Radio D Hotties Network on Radio Mirchi 1310 AM and also 92.9 FM.
जब भी कभी पापा मुझे जो जोर से झूला झूलाते हैं माँ, मेरी नजर ढूंढे तुझे, सोचूं यही तू आके थामेगी माँ. नहीं, पर मैं सहम जाता हूँ माँ। चेहरे पे आने देता नहीं, दिल ही दिल में घबराता हूँ माँ। तुझे सब है पता है ना माँ।
And of course, Banjan, his film made the situation itself is very touching. But more than anything else, आप बस आंख बंद करके गाना सुन लो, Banjan. You really can feel that actually someone is crying. You know, it's a very emotional thing. And Shankar Mahadevan actually excels in the fact that the way he modulates his voice to get the emotion out is excellent. And speaking about masaladar gana, I'll get to that, Banjan. थोड़ा एक काम करते हैं. We'll just bring up the tempo a little bit right now. We'll jump into a different kind of a song, total different kind of a song, which actually is a combination of sung along with Sonu Nigam. And this is Shankar Mahadevan and Sonu Nigam's voice together for a movie which actually was no, very thanda in the box office though. But I like the movie. If you haven't seen the movie, you got to see the movie. This movie is really interesting because it is starring Ali Zafar, Ranveer Singh and Govinda. What? You don't know what movie they have done together? Ranveer Singh, Ali Zafar and Govinda. Okay, let's see. I'm going to ask you a googly question right now. If you guys can give me a call over here and tell me what movie this is, right? You get something special from me. But you got to give us a call here on 4089122479. 4089122472 पे call करके you got to tell me what's happening with this movie or which movie is this, right? It has the voice of Sonu Nigam. It also has the voice of Shankar Mahadevan, right? It is a composition of Shankar Ehsaan and Loy. Lyrics by Gulzar Saab, for all the people. The movie was very interesting, right? It's a googly question. Pay attention to the song and you will know what movie it is, right? Number to call here, 408-912-2479. Gaur kare na, pay attention to the song, you will know. And thank you, Meenakshi ji, I'm reading a message on Facebook right now. Exceptional movie with awesome music. That's true. And yeah. Yes, I would not. That's why I haven't been able to muster the courage to watch the movie. Just the song itself gets me emotional, and I don't know if I can watch the movie. So, but anyways, that'll be on my to-do list, I suppose. I don't know when I'll do it, but I might do it someday just to understand what the movie is all about. So I will. When I do watch the movie, I will give you update, Banujan, on our Facebook page, also on air probably. So you will know, you will hear from me no matter watch the movie Tare Zameen Par. But Meenakshi ji, आपके लिए भी एक challenge है. Let's see if all of anybody out there listening to us right now are able to identify which movie this song is, because I try to pick songs which actually are from not so famous movies and not so played songs also. So try to keep it as unique as possible. And thoda bahut, of course, mirchi dal diya Banujan, beech mein some famous songs bhi aa gaye, lekin fir bhi the most important thing is majority of songs are playing for you guys, not so very important, not so famous song, but good songs nevertheless. Now this song I'm playing right now is a beautiful song. Please listen to the song and see how it's been strung. And I think these guys are musical geniuses, Shankar Ehsaan and Loy. But Shankar Mahadevan sir, Sonu Nigam's voice are so beautiful in this. Tell me which movie it is, Banjan. It's a googly question. Which movie is this song from? Does it have a western look for you, Bandujan? Yes, it has a western feel. It has the Quentin Tarantino feel, Bandujan. That was a hint for you guys. And the wah 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 is a voice by Sonu Nigam. That's trivia. पता लग गया तो कॉल कीजिएगा मुझे, कौन सा फिल्म का ये ट्रैक है. 408-912-2479 starring Ali Zafar, Ranveer Singh and Govinda. Goli Bari. It's a googly question. सोचो कौन सा है, क्या हो सकता है? Call us. Don't you get the feel of those one of the Western movies, like like Few Dollars More and all the stuff, right? Yeah, Eli Wallach, Clinton Eastwood.
बेचारा ये ज़मीन गर्दिश में थी घूम 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 के मारा यारा हम भी कहीं लटके नहीं रोको जमीन
And of course, बच्चा पे attention that now मैंने बोला गूगली क्वेश्चन है ये गाना मूवी का टाइटल ट्रैक है
वही दिन का है तमाशा बाजा मेरे बाजा यार बाजा जी भर के जी मर ले आज है आज है आज है आज है कल कुछ नहीं
पहचाने तो कौन की जगह पर 409122479 तीन लोग हैं बच्चन हीरोज में गोविंदा रणवीर सिंह एंड अली जफर अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ मूवी आई लाइक द मूवी दो आपको आई डोंट नो इफ यू लाइक इट बट इट्स डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ म्यूजिक मूवी बट ग्रेट म्यूजिक बनजन एक से बढ़कर एक गाने हैं इसमें तो ऑफ कोर्स शंकर महादेवन है साथ में सोनू निगम जी है एक और बात थोड़ा और सुन लीजिएगा और कॉल कीजिएगा बताएगा कौन से फिल्म का ये गाना है मैंने बता दिया ये टाइटल ट्रैक है भाई
महंगी है ये जिंदगी कोई छोटा सौदा नहीं ऊंची खजूरी है ये गमले का पौधा नहीं ओ जान भी ये तेरी नहीं कल तक चली जाएगी भी चला जाएगा जब ये गली जाएगी चमके जी ले
ओ आई एम सॉरी बड़जान मेरी गलती है लेकिन थोड़ा और बजाएंगे आपके लिए वो गाना लेकिन बताओ कम ऑन यू नेवर गॉट दिस वर यू नॉट एबल टू फाइंड आउट व्हिच मूवी इट वाज बड़जान स्टार्ट डायलिंग इन 4089122479 मैंने बताया ये टाइटल ट्रैक है गाने का लेट्स सी इफ यू गाइस आइडेंटिफाई थोड़ा और गाना सुनिएगा बताइए कौन से फिल्म का ये गाना है
भी चला जाएगा जब ये गली जाएगी चमके जी ले 2 दिन चाहे कम ही जी ले पीना पड़े तो गम ही पी ले तू यारा यारों की यारियां जिंदा रहेंगी तारों की झाड़ियां महका करेंगी तारों में तारा है तू
एंड ऑफ कोर्स बड़जान ये फिल्म अगर आपने फिल्म देखा है तो देखिएगा जरूर इट्स वेरी नाइस इंटरेस्टिंग कॉमेडी का मूवी वेल एक्शन कॉमेडी मिक्स कर सकते हैं इट्स लाइक अ कॉमेडी रोमा well rom-com is only for romantic comedy right it also has action it's only a rom-com let's call it a rom-com it's action romance and comedy all together movie का नाम किसी का नाम नहीं हुआ doesn't matter I am here to actually expand the knowledge bridge तो लीजिएगा आपके लिए बोलने वाला हूँ ये फिल्म जो है was called Kill Dil yes one of the movies actually don't do very well but nevertheless हमारे शंकर महादेवन Sanji and Loy have given us some great music on the particular movie Banjan. And today is of course the birthday of our Shankar Mahadevan ji. We have a caller waiting. Namaskar, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम के शंकर महादेवन हैप्पी बर्थडे स्पेशल. Who's this? Hi.
हाय पैम पैम
पैम पैम कैसे हैं मीनाक्षी जी?
एकदम बढ़िया आप बताइए कैसे हैं
मैं तो फर्स्ट क्लास हूँ. I'm enjoying all the songs I'm playing. I hope you're enjoying it as much as I'm enjoying
Oh
playing it.
yes, that's why I'm not calling and interrupting the flow. कि कितने अच्छे सॉन्ग्स बज रहे हैं तो let them play.
Very good. लेकिन आपने पहचाना वो गाना मैंने लगाया था कौन से फिल्म का था?
हाँ आपने खुद ही हिंट दे दिया था.
Title
मूवी का नाम है Kill Dil.
Have you seen that movie?
No.
Watch it. It's fun. It's worthwhile a watch. It's worthwhile a watch. हाँ.
Really?
Seriously, watch the movie.
Okay.
It's a good movie. I like the movie. It's a totally different kind of movie. You will see Govinda in a totally different role, and I think Ranveer Singh is pretty much like Play-Doh. He'll fit into any role, I suppose. And Elizabeth also done a good job. Basically, a good job actually. You can. It's watchable. It's watchable. And nevertheless, songs are very nice. एक से बढ़कर एक गाने हैं उसमें. ये तो बस एक गाना था, लेकिन one song which even Shankar Mahadevan's son, Siddharth Mahadevan has sung that movie. It's very nice. Good
Okay,
songs.
sure.
Because you like songs which are
Definitely,
nice, I'm sure you'll like that song also. So let's see. Your message for Shankarji. You want to say something to him right now?
Yeah, of course. I just want to say happy birthday, Shankar Mahadevan sir. Wish you a good health और आप इसी तरह से हमारे लिए अच्छा म्यूजिक लेकर आते रहे. एटलीस्ट एक अच्छी बात ये है कि वो जिस तरह के गाने बना रहे हैं ऐसा जो तीनों ट्रायो मिलकर, वो ऐसे गाने हैं जो लंबे समय तक आपके जहन में रहने वाले हैं. वो
Correct.
ऐसा नहीं है कि आ जाए और शायद 15 दिन बाद आप भूल जाओगे उन गानों को. तो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर गिविंग अस such a great music.
Yeah, and
Thank you.
हम थोड़े ही उनको आपको भूलने देंगे. हम आपके लिए लगाते रहेंगे वो गाने यार.
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. हाँ, I just want to say that कि अगर हम भूलना भी चाहें तो आलतू फालतू हमें कभी भूलने नहीं देंगे. अगर हम भूलना भी चाहें 1%, 0.01%.
Guilty as charged, man. Guilty as charged. See, I'll tell you what. I think, it has been a rarity for us to find good music in Indian cinema after the greats have gone by. So I always have considered the 80s and 90s to be dark age of Indian cinema, where, Adi Rabin Saab also was in the dip, like, was not giving us good songs. Then Anil Malik and all came up, and yeah, he's given us some good music, but there was still a dark thing which is there in the Indian cinema. And A.R. Rahman Saab only came in 90s, and he was not very prolific in the Hindi industry as much, right? So, and then,
Yeah.
of course, then 2000 mein, bam, we have these trio come in, and then
Oh, yeah.
other people come in, and Shankarji is, of
Bright
course,
star हमें मिल चुका था.
correct. That's true. And thank you so much for the message also. And we're going to be tagging Shankar Mahadevan and his team in our this particular Facebook post. Hopefully they get the message from you. And thank you for doing that. So why don't you do this? Why don't you tell me one of the songs of Shankarji which you love, and I would love to play that for you today.
आपका जो मन करे आप वो लगा दीजिए, क्योंकि मुझे उनके सारे गाने पसंद हैं. और अगर जो पहले सुने भी नहीं थे तो थैंक्स टू रेडियो डी हॉटीज और आलतू फालतू कि हमने वो गाने सुन लिए हैं. तो आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड कि आप और भी अच्छे गाने मुझे सुनाने वाले, हम सबको सुनाने वाले हैं.
I will definitely play it for you for sure. I have a nice song lined up for you, okay?
Sure.
Thank you so much. Thank you for
Have a
calling.
good one.
You too. And of course, thank you, Meenakshi, for calling us. And yes, you too can give us a call and you can share with us the wishes you have for Shankarji. And I'm going to go into one more song. This particular song is from a movie which actually was not so very big of a hit, I should say. Hrithik Roshan and Farhan Akhtar film. I played a song from this previously. I just told you the movie hit ho ya na ho, गाने तो बस मस्त गाने थे. So here you go, listen to the song. I'll come back with one more presentation of a song of a movie which actually did not do much, but the songs were awesome in that movie. But this is a song called Bawre from the movie Luck by Chance.
मैं तन्हारा मैं मनहारा मैं जो हारा मैं जगहारा होश बिहारा जोश बिहारा मैं सब हारा होश बिहारा जोश बिहारा मैं सब हारा मैं अब हारा
आएगा मनोरंजन हारा हारा हो रहा, लेकिन देखो अभी देखो आएगा. The beat drops right now.
बाजे ढोल रदा सारे आके दूध मदा सारे आयो डूबी अमा सारे देखो दीप दमा सारे ओ रंगीले रंगीले पल है चमकीले चमकीले पल है बरसे झिलमिल करते लाखों तारे अलबेले तन है लचकीले लचकीले तन है कोई अपना दिल कैसे न हारे ओ मैं तन मैं मन मैं जान
मैं जग जोश भी मैं सब मैं अब
Digga Balajan, what that beat actually picks up, and only person who can catch up with the beat is going to be Shankar ji. Enjoy the song.
कोई आग उगलता रे कोई तार बदलता रे कोई गेंद उछाले रे कोई रोज संभाले रे ओ देखो रे भैया कोई घूमे बनके भैया कोई ऊपर से तलंग मारे रे ओ देख बात
And of course, Balajan, this is the presentation on Radio D Hotties Balajan for the network of Radio Mirchi, 1310 AM and also 92.9 FM. This is Pera Altu Baba bringing you a special show dedicated to Shankar Madhavan ji, jinka birthday aaj hai. And of course, Shankar ji, wish you a very, very happy birthday and many more to come, Balajan. And of course, let me tell you, Shankar ji, everybody loves you here at the Bay Area and around the world for sure. Keep giving us wonderful music. I'm going to be giving some more time on the song and we'll be signing off with the final song when you go into the break. But here you go, this is the next song. And yes, Balajan, abhi to of course we have a lot of songs which you can play for you guys. Ek se badhkar ek gaane hain. And now I'm thinking of actually playing a song for you guys which actually has, again from a movie it's not so popular, but the song became a hit. Now, you may wonder what song it is. Suno, I'll talk to you about the movie in just a few minutes, but this is a song, Meenakshi ji will definitely like this because this song, Meenakshi ji, I'm dedicating to you because it is your favorite Salman Khan in this.
कुछ खुशबुएं यादों के जंगल से बह चली कुछ खिड़कियां लम्हों की दस्तक पे खुल गई कुछ गीत पुराने रखे थे सिरहाने कुछ सुर कहीं खोए थे बंदिश मिल गई इशारे मिल गए पिछड़े थे किनारे मिल गए जीने के
And I've got Balajan and the beautiful voice of Shankar Mahadevan from the movie Fir Milenge. And this particular movie was kind of a drama, I should say, but did not do very well. Abhishek Bachchan and Shilpa Shetty's film, Balajan. And this song is a beautiful song, right? It actually is penned by Prashun Joshi. Music composed by Shankar Ehsan and Law. I told you, right? Movie phale flop ho jaye. In लोगों के गाने जो है always hit होते हैं because I think it's the way they actually treat every song with so much of love. And Shankar ji, I just want to tell you, you actually have shown your love to music and it shows in your work as well.
से झगड़ कर जी उठी मेरे हर अंधेरे को जाले पी गए तूने हंस के मुझसे मुस्कुराने को कहा मेरे मन के मौसम गुल मोहर से हो गए जीने के इशारे मिल गए पिछड़े थे किनारे मिल गए जीने के
And of course, Balajan, a beautiful song. Movie, I don't know much about, but Meenakshi ji on Facebook has posted that actually this movie was more of a message for people, social message movie, and that's what it was all about. I haven't heard much about the movie. I haven't seen the movie as well. Unfortunately, at that time, I was not even interested in movies, but just 2000 ki baat time thi. 2009 is when I actually got into radio and got interested in all this stuff. And by 2010, we got introduced to Shankar Ehsan and Loy, and afterwards, there's no turning back. Been a big fan of them ever since, and still am and still will be, I suppose, because they've been giving us some wonderful songs. एक से बढ़कर एक Balajan. And yes, काफी सारे ऐसे गाने भी हैं फिल्म में जिनके लिए उन्होंने अच्छे गाने दिए थे. Like for instance, let me tell you, Shankar Ehsan and Loy's songs are so wonderful and beautiful. I don't know if you ever heard of the movie called Mirzya. It was a super duper flop. It release होने से पहले बंद होके निकल गई. हर्षवर्धन कपूर का first introduction film था. great songs, wonderful songs, ek se badhkar ek gaane. But movie was a flop for some reason. So anyways, let's not worry about that part of it. We're talking about Shankar Ji and how he's given some wonderful music over here. And aaj going away song, I was thinking what song to play for you guys. And yeah, how about playing a song which we all love and like. And you will definitely say thank you to Ibarjan from the movie Bunty or Bubbly. This is a nice song which actually has combination Alisha Chennai, Shankar Mahadevan and Javed Ali's voice. Banujam, composition पूछ रहे हैं आप? आप बताइए, फेसबुक पे जाइएगा, पोस्ट कीजिएगा कि ये किसका कॉम्पोजिशन है बटन 408 नहीं facebook.com/Radio D Hotties. If you listen to us on the radio right now, go to our Facebook page, facebook.com/Radio D Hotties, hashtag मार के, that is hashtag Shankar Mahadevan, and then post the answer there. Well, okay, Bajra, I'm not going to keep you in suspense right now, but this is actually the composition of Shankar, Ehsan and Loy only Banjan. Yes, and voiced by Shankar Mahadevan, and I told you, Nakash Aziz, Javed Ali's voice, Banjan, along with Alisha Chennai. You can enjoy kijega, and again, wishing Shankar Mahadevan ji a very, very happy birthday, Shankar sir. हमारे तरफ से भी केक खा लीजिएगा, वरना हमें पास लेकर लीजिएगा, हम खा लेंगे यहाँ पे. And wishing you a very, very happy birthday and many more to come. And thank you for everything. ये गाना सुनिएगा मंजन, and be telling you good night, शब्बा खैर, and देंगे आपको लोग प्यार भरा.
नजर हटा ले, बर्बाद हो रहे हैं जी, बर्बाद हो रहे हैं जी, तेरे अपने शहर वाले, मेरा चैन वैन सब उजड़ा, जालिम नजर हटा ले, बर्बाद हो रहे हैं जी, तेरे अपने शहर वाले, हो मेरी अंगड़ाई ना टूटे तू आजा, मेरी अंगड़ाई ना टूटे तू आजा.
कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना.
इसी के साथ Banjan, good night, शब्बा खैर. Oh my God, I just don't feel like leaving Banjan because it's a wonderful song. I'm going to sing and dance for a song. You two can do it right now, Banjan, but of course, मैं बोलूँगा आप लोगों को शब्बा खैर. मिलूँगा good morning baby, कल सवेरे bright and early.